Lamentations 3 depicts his suffering as a profound and overwhelming experience, feeling as if his bones are broken. He is in darkness, and God has turned against him, leading to a sense of imprisonment and despair. Feeling of God's wrath. Feels as if he has been smitten by God's rod of wrath, leading him into darkness and away from light. Physical and spiritual decay. His flesh and skin wasting away, and his bones being broken, suggesting a sense of physical and spiritual decay. Imprisonment and entrapment. Feels walled in and unable to escape, with heavy chains and blocked paths, emphasizing a sense of entrapment. Bitterness and hardship. Being filled with bitterness and made to drink wormwood, a symbol of extreme bitterness and sorrow. Loss of peace and prosperity. Laments the loss of peace and prosperity, feeling that his hope from the Lord has perished. Being a target. He feels like a target for arrows, with the arrows of God's quiver piercing his loins. Ridicule and taunting. Being the ridicule of all his people, a taunting song all day. These biblical poems of lament are a form of protest. They draw everyone's attention, including God's, to the horrible things that happen in his world that should not be tolerated. They're also a way of processing emotion. In these poems, God's people vent their anger and dismay at the ruin caused by sin and violence. God's steadfast love and mercy, even in the midst of suffering, offer hope and comfort, and are a reminder that God's compassion is always available.
哀歌3描繪佢嘅苦難係一個深刻而壓倒性嘅經歷，感覺好似佢嘅骨頭斷咗，佢喺黑暗中，而神已經反對佢，導致一種被囚禁同絕望嘅感覺，身體同精神上嘅衰退，感覺被圍牆、逃唔到，有重重嘅鎖鏈同阻住嘅路，強調一種被困嘅感覺，充滿苦澀，令人飲艾草，係極度苦澀同悲傷嘅象徵，失去和平同繁榮，哀傷失去和平同繁榮，感覺到佢對主嘅希望已經消失咗，呢啲都唔應該容忍。
耶利米哀歌第3章。我是因耶和華憤怒的杖，遭遇困苦的人。他引導我，使我行在黑暗中，不行在光明裏。他真是終日再三反手攻擊我，他使我的皮肉枯乾，他折斷或作壓傷我的骨頭。他築壘攻擊我，用苦楚與民作苦膽和艱難圍困我。他使我住在幽暗之處，像死了許久的人一樣。他用籬笆圍住我，使我不能出去。他使我的銅鏈沉重，我哀號求救，他使我的禱告不得上達。他用鑿過的石頭擋住我的道，他使我的路彎曲。他向我如熊埋伏，如獅子在隱密處。他使我轉離正路，將我撕碎，使我凄涼。他將弓將我當作箭靶子，他把箭袋中的箭射入我的肺腑。我成了眾民的笑話，他們終日以我為歌曲。他用苦楚充滿我，使我飽用茵陳。他又用沙石襯斷我的牙，用灰塵將我蒙蔽。你使我遠離平安，我忘記好處。我就說，我的力量衰敗，我在耶和華那裏毫無指望。耶和華啊，求你紀念我如茵陳和苦膽的困苦困迫。我心想念這些，就在裏面憂悶。我想起這事，心裏就有指望。我們不致消滅，是出於耶和華諸般的慈愛，是因他的憐憫不致斷絕。每早晨，這都是新的。你的誠實極其廣大。我心裏說，耶和華是我的份，因此我要仰望他。凡等候耶和華，心裏尋求他的，耶和華必施恩給他。 人仰望耶和華，靜默等候他的救恩，這原是好的。人在幼年負軛，這原是好的。他當獨坐無言，因為這是耶和華加在他身上的。他當口貼塵埃，或者有指望。他當由人打他的腮頰，要滿受凌辱，因為主必不永遠丟棄人。主雖使人憂愁，還要照他諸般的慈愛發憐憫，因他並不甘心使人受苦，使人憂愁。人將世上被囚的踩，原文作壓，在腳下，或在至高者面前屈枉人，或在人的重事上顛倒是非，這都是主看不上的。除非主命定，誰能說成就成呢？禍福不都出於至高者的口麼？活人因自己的罪受罰，為何發怨言呢？我們當深深考察自己的行為，再歸向耶和華。我們當誠心向天上的神舉手禱告。我們犯罪背逆，你並不赦免，你自被怒氣遮蔽，追趕我們，你施行殺戮，並不顧惜。你以黑雲遮蔽自己，以致禱告不得透入。你使我們在萬民中成為污穢和渣滓，我們的仇敵都向我們大大張口，恐懼和陷坑、殘害和毀滅都臨近我們。因我眾民遭的毀滅，我就眼淚下流如河，我的眼多多流淚，總不止息，直等耶和華垂顧，從天觀看。因我本城的眾民，我的眼使我的心傷痛，無故與我為仇的追逼我，像追着鳥一樣。他們使我的命在牢獄中斷絕，並將一塊石頭拋在我身上。眾水流過我頭，我說我命斷絕了。耶和華啊，我從深牢中求告你的名，你曾聽見我的聲音，我求你解救，你不要掩耳不聽。我求告你的日子，你臨近我說，不要懼怕。主啊，你申明了我的冤，你救贖了我的命。耶和華啊，你見了我受的委屈，求你為我伸冤。他們仇恨我，謀害我，你都看見了。耶和華啊，你聽見他們辱罵我的話，知道他們向我所設的計，並那些起來攻擊我的人口中所說的話，以及終日向我所設的計謀。求你觀看，他們坐下起來，都以我為歌曲。耶和華啊，你要按着他們手所作的，向他們施行報應。你要使他們心裏剛硬，使你的咒詛臨到他們。你要發怒追趕他們，從耶和華的天下除滅他們。